Welcome children in another class. Today in English from grammar we will do chapter number 19, that is future continuous tense. Now before we start this topic, earlier I had taught you future tense. So future tense means the action which is going to happen in the future, and we came across three words, that is will, shall and going to, which can be used to show any action which will be happening in the future. So let us proceed with the same topic, that is future tense, and today we will do another kind of future tense, that is future continuous. That is an action which will be continuing in the future. And for continuous means we have to use ing form with the main verb to show certain action which will start in the future and it will continue in the future. Like there are few steps which will go across. The very first step, tomorrow is Sushant's exam. He will be leaving the house at 7:30 am. He will be driving to the exam center. On reaching the examination center, he will be going through a tedious security check before actually sitting down for the examination. So, all the underlying words like will be leaving, will be driving, will be going are said to be in future continuous tense. Future continuous tense tells us about something that will happen at a given point of time in the future, and for showing the continuity of an action we add ing to the main verb form. Now usage of future continuous tense. What are the usages? Express an action that will take place at a particular time in future, like at 10 am tomorrow I will be giving a presentation on advertisements. The president will be addressing the nation at 8:30 pm on the eve of the Republic Day. So we use future continuous to show an action which will happen in the future at a particular time in future. Now let us see the structure of the future continuous tense. The very first structure is of declarative sentences, means the statement when we write, how we will write. So we will first have the subject, and will plus be form of verb is used along with the main verb added with ing. Like I will be working, we will be working, you will be working, he or she or it will be working, they will be working. Now let us see for the negative sentences how we use. So for the negative, to make any assertive sentence into negative, we use not word. So subject plus will plus not plus be form of verb plus verb added with ing. Like I will not be working, we will not be working, you will not be working, he or she or it will be not working, they will not be working. So this way we make a negative sentence when we have to write a negative sentence in future continuous tense. Now information questions, that is the WH, like which stands for who, where, when, why, what and which and how. So we use the question word, that is WH form, with the helping verb plus subject plus be plus verb added with ing, like where will I be working. Okay, then we may also say what we will be working, when we will be working, when will you be working, when will he or she or it be working, WH again, when will they be working. So this structures you have to learn to how to write a future continuous tense, let it be in declarative, negative or information question. So children, I hope you have understood the chapter. You just go through the structure, learn it properly and try to do the given exercises 1, 2 and I think only 1 and 2 is there. So you complete the chapter and do the exercises. Okay, so thank you and have a good day.